If you've been wondering what it takes to start a YouTube channel, get views, and actually gain subscribers, there is a lot you need to know. But more than gear or editing, there's one thing you must master more. Master first. Your mindset. As a new YouTuber, you expect explosive growth. You want the views, and you want the subs, and you want them now. But the truth is, only a very few see overnight success. For the rest of us, you need self-improvement and patience. Think of it like this. Every YouTube growth expert suggests that you pick one thing to improve on with every upload, just 1% better. Maybe today is how you speak to the camera. Maybe next time is how you do thumbnail design. If you do that 100 times, you become 100 times better at your craft. Never stop learning, because once you have the right mindset, you're already ahead of the competition. But there's a negative mindset that will almost guarantee failure. In this video, I'm going to tell you what that negative mindset is so you can avoid it and so you don't become an unsuccessful channel.